Architecture is a unique profession. You really have to think from both sides of the brain. So you have to think from the creative side of the brain and also from sort of the mathematical, scientific side of the brain. In that way, it's a very holistic kind of profession.
We are a Frank Lloyd Wright campus with so many beautiful structures that we have designed by Frank Lloyd Wright. We know that it will be a wonderful living and learning laboratory for our students where they will be able to learn about theory in the classroom and then so fantastically be able to walk out on the campus and behold the structures in front of them.
Innovation comes from knowledge. Being knowledgeable about the successes of the architects that came previously will fortify and equip them with the ability to imagine what's going to be coming at them. The curriculum has been designed to fortify the students with knowledge and to be able to embrace things that are going to be coming at them that even we can't dream about. They'll have skill sets that I think no other program, as far as I'm aware, will have. It's going to be pretty special.
Engaged learning is a top priority that we offer to all of our students throughout the disciplines campus-wide here, and we are known for experiential learning. The architectural school will be filled with hands-on experiences, including travel abroad, to working with professionals in the field, to work through practicums and work through internships so that they have the skills and the tools they need to be successful in the professional world.
I believe that the future of architectural education will occur right in this program.